In this lesson, we will build an intuitive picture of transcription initiation and then show the classic stepwise deletion strategy used to map promoter elements. This technique is called promoter bashing. First, a quick roadmap. Here is a stretch of DNA with a transcription start site at the center. Close to the start site lives the core promoter, often including a TFIID-like element. This is where general transcription factors assemble. A key player is TFIID, which recognizes the TFIID region and helps position RNA polymerase II. Sometimes the region near the start site is a CpG island, a G and C-rich region, whose methylation state can regulate expression. Farther away, an enhancer can loop over to touch the promoter and boost transcription. Transcription also depends on chromatin context. When nucleosomes are tightly packed, access is lower. Chromatin remodeling complexes can slide or evict nucleosomes to open the promoter. Sometimes swapping in a histone variant loosens packing. DNA methyltransferases can methylate CpG sites. Heavy methylation near the promoter usually represses transcription. Now for the stepwise deletion strategy, also called promoter bashing. We build a set of reporter constructs. Each construct keeps or deletes pieces of the upstream region, and we measure expression. The pattern of expression tells us which pieces matter for transcription. Interpretation is the key. When we remove the enhancer, expression drops but does not vanish. That means the enhancer boosts transcription. When we remove the core promoter, expression collapses to baseline because the general machinery cannot assemble. The empty vector, our negative control, sets the background level. Let us connect the assay back to the DNA map. The enhancer acts at a distance, often by looping, so deleting it reduces expression but leaves a basal level. The core promoter, recognized by TFIID, is essential for basal transcription. Heavily methylated CpG islands near the promoter tend to silence expression, and opening chromatin can increase it. Lightning round of key terms you might see in this topic. Enhancer boosts transcription from a distance. Core promoter sits near the start site. CpG island can be methylated. DNMT means DNA methyltransferase. Chromatin remodeling moves nucleosomes. TFIID binds the core promoter. Negative control is the empty vector baseline. Operon and polycistronic mRNA are common in bacteria. Attenuation, riboswitches, and alternative splicing are other gene regulation strategies. So if you see a question that says stepwise analysis of transcription initiation using deletions in and around the area of interest, what is the technique called? That is promoter bashing. Summary. Enhancers raise expression, the core promoter and TFIID enable basal transcription, chromatin and methylation modulate accessibility, and promoter bashing maps which pieces are required. That's the big picture.